Listen and repeat.
Conversation. Conversation 1.
Hi. How are you doing?
I'm fine. How about yourself?
I'm pretty good. Thanks for asking.
No problem. So, how have you been?
I've been great. What about you?
I've been good. I'm in school right now.
What school do you go to?
I go to ABC.
Do you like it there?
It's okay. It is a really big campus.
Good luck with school.
Thank you very much.
Conversation 2.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Do you speak English?
A little. Are you American?
Yes.
Where are you from?
I'm from California.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Conversation 3.
Excuse me, what's your name?
My name is Jessica. What's yours names?
John.
You speak English very well.
Thank you.
Do you know what time it is?
Sure. It's 5:10 p.m.
What did you say?
I said it's 5:10 p.m.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Conversation 4.
Hello.
Hi.
May I have a few minutes of your time?
Sure, how can I help?
I just moved here and I wanted to get to know my neighbors. I'm John. What is your name?
I'm Chris. Nice to meet you.
I'm happy to meet you too.
When did you move here?
I've been here a week now. What do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher. What about you?
I'm a doctor.
Do you like it here so far?
I love it here. What's your favorite place in the town?
It's the river. I like to have a walk around it.
That's nice. I should try doing that too.
Yes, you should. You will enjoy it.
It was really a pleasure speaking with you. I hope we speak again soon.
It is a pleasure to know you too. I hope so too.